So MTN data seem to be expensive over the time, and looking for the best bundle is actually one of the biggest thing. People are looking for a cheap bundle to buy and all that. So I've been using this bundle for quite time now. I wanted to be sure it's working forever. That's before I'll make a video on it. And this video is going to be on one of the cheap bundles I use from MTN. Yes, it's not 100% cheap, but it's better than most of the offers you have out there. And this bundle is going to give you 1 gigabyte of data for 2 cedis, 50 pesos, and it expires within 24 hours. But worth it if you're someone who uses much data as I am. So this is how you go on to get that bundle. You just go to *141# and you dial. So upon dialing, they'll give you various options. Remember that this is just for you bundle and it changes for everyone. The positioning too changes on a daily basis. So the first 3 options are not, it's not passed. So you just click on 99, and here I have it as option 5, and I subscribe. So this is how you're able to get the bundle for yourself. There are various ways and it works differently for different people. So just check it out, and if you have any questions, you can just leave a comment in the comment section below, and let's keep interactive. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Until then, subscribe.